BRAINY presents 11 signs you have strong intuition. Do you ever get a sense of dread or excitement? A feeling that something is right or wrong? Or an urge to act on something without fully knowing why? Do you seem to just intrinsically know things? These are signs that you may have intuitive abilities. And while some people discount intuition as wishful thinking or irrationality, it can actually be incredibly useful in making decisions and gauging situations. The truth is, we all possess intuition, but some of us are more intuitive than others. So, how do you know if you've tapped into the sixth sense? Here are 11 signs that indicate a highly intuitive person is looking back at you in the mirror. Number 1. You're in tune with your body. If there's one thing that intuitive people have mastered, it's how to listen to their bodies. When you start feeling out of tune with yourself, it's a sure sign that something is off balance or not right. You may feel sick or nauseous, but not know why. Or you might sense that something is off kilter before getting ill. You are aware when you are approaching burnout, and you ensure that you give yourself time to recharge. Your intuition guides you toward being more active, less stressed out, and healthier overall. Number 2. You're a deep thinker. Are you often lost in thought and like to take time to reflect on your own thoughts and feelings? This means you are very introspective, and you like to spend time alone, letting your mind wander without distraction. As a result, you frequently find yourself daydreaming about things that could be, or things that could have been, if only you had tried something different. Furthermore, you may be able to see connections between things that most people don't see at all. And this is because your intuition has developed a skill for seeing patterns, where others might not even realize there are any at all. Number 3. You are very observant of others' emotions, needs, and thoughts. One of the most important things about intuition is that it's a multi-sensory skill. The stronger your intuition, the more you'll be able to perceive others in all their complexity, including what they're thinking and feeling. And this requires not only good observation skills, but also the ability to connect those observations with what's going on inside yourself. So if you're able to tell what people need before they ask for it, or even realize what it is themselves, or if you sense emotions without words, then chances are very good that your intuition is strong. Number 4. You have recurring thoughts and ideas. When you have a recurring thought or idea, it's often because your intuition is trying to tell you something. These thoughts can happen even when you're not actively thinking about them. For example, you might have a nagging feeling about something that won't leave your mind until you act on it. Maybe it's an idea for a new business or project floating around in your head. Or maybe you keep seeing things that inspire you while watching TV, reading a book, listening to music, and even from unexpected places like billboards on the highway. Number 5. You're a good judge of character. You can tell when someone is being genuine, and you can also tell when they are being fake. This is because it's easy for you to pick up on people's energy and intentions. You experience feelings of excitement about certain people who come into your life. But there are also times when your intuition tells you that someone is not who they say they are. You're able to see through the little things that most people miss. And this can be very useful in avoiding predators or even shady people. And again, this isn't just about being able to read body language or facial expressions. It's about sensing what people are thinking or feeling. Number 6. You often experience synchronicities. Synchronicity is the experience of two or more events that are meaningfully related, yet are causally unrelated. For example, you might be thinking about an old friend, and they just call you out of the blue. Or perhaps you have an inkling to look into a particular spot for something you've lost, and there it is. If you find yourself experiencing meaningful coincidences on a regular basis, it's highly likely that your intuition plays more of an active role in your day-to-day life. Number 7. Your dreams are vivid and often insightful. Intuition is closely tied to your subconscious mind, where your dreams originate. If your dreams are often prophetic and contain important nuggets of information or insight, this is a telltale sign that your intuition is powerful. You might have dreams that are so vivid, they seem like reality, and then later on, the events in your waking life happen to unfold exactly as they did in your dream. Number 8. You have sudden moments of clarity. When you take time to pause, quiet your mind, and reflect on life, you have powerful aha moments or sudden realizations that come out of nowhere. you find yourself instantly solving a problem that has been troubling you for a while. Or maybe you become aware of a new path forward in a situation where there was no obvious answer before. Suddenly, you just know what you need to do. These insights can be a result of your intuition, guiding you toward answers, solutions, and decision-making. Number 9, you can sense when something is about to happen. Another telltale sign of having powerful intuition is the ability to foresee events before they occur. For example, you'll get an uneasy feeling that someone you know is going to cheat on their partner, or you'll suddenly get the gut feeling that there's an accident on the way home from work, even though there's no evidence of one ahead of time. Your hunches are usually correct, and reality reflects this later on. It's like the universe is whispering in your ear, telling you things before they happen. Number 10, you are drawn to certain people or places. Your intuition can be something of a mystery, but it's not always about knowing that something is going to happen. Sometimes it's about taking notice of the little things, like being drawn to certain people and places. If you feel an instant connection with someone, or if you find yourself drawn to a place like no other, it's likely that your intuition is at work. This can be hard if you don't know what you're looking for, or don't know where your intuition is leading you. But once you discover what it is, there's no denying the pull toward it. Number 11, others come to you for advice. Are you a good listener and someone other people look up to for guidance? Do you intuitively know the right things to do in certain situations? If so, that's because you have an innate ability to see the big picture and make connections between seemingly unrelated things. When someone tells you about their problem or situation, it's natural for you to think of a solution without even consciously trying. You are often described as wise beyond your years, and people come to you for advice because they trust your judgment. Intuition is a powerful gift. It is like an inner compass. It guides you toward what's good for your soul and away from things that could be harmful or destructive. And the more in tune with this compass you are, the easier life becomes. You're also more likely to achieve success because your intuition will help guide you in the right direction. Now, if you watch this video and didn't recognize these traits in yourself, don't worry. Just like any skill, intuition can be developed. You may need to adjust your habits and work on relaxing more often. It's also possible that you should spend some time alone with yourself or incorporate more mindfulness practices in your daily life, like regular meditation. Most importantly, learn to listen to your intuition and trust yourself more. And if you're still here, check out a video we made about certain gut feelings you shouldn't ignore. You'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.